guys, welcome to Beaver Creek. I am here for the weekend watching the Birds of Prey World Cup race. I'm so excited because I grew up ski racing and I've been to this event many times before. It's one of my favorites. It's just insane to see how fast these athletes go, and I'm really excited to take you along with me. This is our view from our hotel room, which is literally insane. We were blessed with some fresh snow, and I think there's more on the way. So actually most of the races were pushed up to Thursday. Today's Thursday, and it's about to be race time. So what do you say we go check it out? It's National Cookie Day, and Beaver Creek is known for their chocolate chip cookies, and I already got one. Great way to start the day. We made it to the race, and I'm about to get a picture with a real life bald eagle.
Oh yeah, it's insane. It's massive.
Huge, actually. Look at this thing.
Hey guys, it's Grace Donner, and today we were at the Birds of Prey World Cup race in Beaver Creek, Colorado. We're doing a little story.
I'm feeling quite pampered because they provided tickets to the VIP tent, and there's like free drinks and a buffet, and the buffet looks nice, and I am starving, so it's time to eat. Downhill race today. Actually insane how fast they go. It blew my mind. I only did downhill a couple times in my life, and it was honestly the scariest event in my opinion. We're back in the village now, and there's so many little pop-ups and events. We might walk around for a bit, but I think I'd also really like to go skiing. I hope the snow's good. It's official, guys. We're going skiing. Last night I baked this boot liner in my oven at home, a little DIY project, and I'm really curious to see if it helped or maybe hurt my problem. It was like pinching my heel, and I don't know if it helped, honestly, but moment of truth here. Actually, I know it's still gonna hurt because my heel is still sore. However, if it doesn't make it worse, please be better. I don't know. It still feels a bit tight. Actually, it feels tight, but like it's in its place now. I think I'm gonna have to ski to find out. The easiest way to put on your neck gaiter, like this. I know I showed this in my last YouTube video, but in case you missed that one, I put my two slut strands, as we call them, in my mouth. And I put my neck gaiter on like almost all the way like this. And I fold this so it kind of gets out of my face there. It is pretty sunny today, so we're going with these. Getting ready to do a little dinner in town in the village, and there's live music tonight that I'm hoping we get to see. Just need to do a little facelift touch up, you know. Honestly, my hair is not that bad after skiing. The world is seeing me with helmet hair and it doesn't look that bad. How fun!
If you say I will never let go, I will say no, no, no. I wanna see that you really wanna go, all the way. I don't care what you think about me. I don't care what you think about
ups this morning so we can ski before everyone else gets there and maybe film some content on the mountain. And it looks like it's snowing, so I hope the snow is lovely. That she hasn't been confident, but every time we've gone this year together, it has been scary conditions because we'll like be filming something in the morning and then not get out to ski until like the last 2 laps of the day, and it's just the iciest, bumpiest experience ever. So early ups, we feel good. Made a world of a difference. The snow is so nice. We got fresh groomers this morning. It's just been so lovely. I'm excited to go find the cookies. Honestly, same. Just sitting here enjoying my morning coffee after we skied. And the most insane thing just happened. Brittany just showed me this off of her phone. Look at what Lindsay Vaughn posted on Instagram.
Who it is?
Oh. Oh my gosh.
BFFs with Lindsay Vaughn. It's official.
It's like the third pick in
fourth,
her dump.
The fourth
pick in her
in the
dump.
But you're the only other person featured.
Wait, we're like, I mean, I have met her twice already now at this point. That time and once when I was younger, and I will meet her maybe I'll meet her again this year at the Olympics. So like, we're basically besties now. We're back. It's dumping. I feel like I would go blind if I had to race in this. Can't see anything. Crazy.
So excited to go get drinks.
That's the energy I'm looking for. It's a winter wonderland. It is my last day in Beaver Creek. There's no races today, and there's a ton of new snow. There is actually more at other mountains, so everyone I know actually went to other mountains or went home. So I'm alone, having a little solo day, and I can't decide if I want to go or not. Well, it says that they got 3 inches, but now it's dumping, so maybe there's more. I also left my ski boot at Surefoot because whatever I did in my personal oven was not doing the trick. Although I did bring it to Surefoot, and they were like, oh yeah, ma'am, so you have 2 insoles on top of each other, because I put my custom insole on top of the stock insole. So like, I know, I'm a dummy. We live and we learn. So I do have to go get that, and it's at the base of the mountain. So I'm like, might as well like go ski and try to see if like the boots are better. But also I'm worried about driving in this weather. I'm like an hour and a half away from home, but you have to go through the Glenwood Canyon, which gets really icy and sketchy during snowstorms. So I just don't know what to do. But I do feel like if I'm here, I should go. I'm trying to convince myself to go. On my way home now, I get to sleep in my cozy bed for one night before we're off to another ski trip tomorrow. I'm going to Alaska tomorrow, and I've never been there before. And yes, I will absolutely be taking you along with me the entire way. So make sure you're subscribed so you can see that ski trip too. I am so excited for it. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Happy Birds of Prey World Cup weekend, and I'll see you next week.